My name's Anthony Allen. I upload 3 different types of content here: gaming, editing and online money videos. And here in this video I'm going to show you how to cash out from Cash App. So here we are inside of Cash App. You can see that I have £10 available, which is down below. If I select the £10, you can now see that there is £10 available, and you can also see an option to cash out. The cash out option is what you want to select. It's a button. Press this now. You can then select the amount you want to cash out. In our case, we're going to leave it at £10, but you can actually toggle this to select exactly how much you want to withdraw from your Cash App. From here, you then select cash out. You would then be asked to confirm that this is the amount you want to cash out, and then Cash App is asking you if you want to cash out to your bank account. At this point, you would already have your bank account connected to your Cash App. If you would like a video on how to connect your bank account to your Cash App, comment down below. At this point, we're going to select cash out, and the £10 will be sent to our bank account. Let's select cash out. You would then be asked to confirm your Cash App PIN. You would have set this when you were starting your Cash App account. Enter this now. The cash out is on the way, and your money will be sent to your bank account that you have connected to your Cash App by the end of the day. So if this video has been helpful to you, smash that thumbs up button and subscribe here to the Anthony Allen YouTube channel so that you can be notified about when I upload new content for you. I upload 3 different types of content: gaming, editing and online money videos. You can also find playlists that I've built so you can find the content that you are looking for. And some of that value will be in the end screen that will appear on screen at the end of every video that I upload here on the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. And that end screen is coming up right now. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.